Okay, so for exam 1, part 2, in the first prompt, for the first question, I said that the number of times the heartbeat of the person eating fast food is almost twice as fast as the people who don't, the number 600 million times per year seems quite large too, so there might have been a case of a misplaced decimal point somewhere. And for question 2, I said that slippery evidence can cause people to infer false information due to the fact that they are receiving false information themselves. For question 3, I said that the patients could have had prior health problems that could cause heart disease, and the doctor did not have a set schedule or amount of fast food that these people were eating. It could have been any amount of fast food or any amount of times that they could have been eating fast food, that he did not set a certain amount. But for the second prompt, for question A, I said correlation is the measure of straight line association. It differs from causation because causation occurs when one thing causes another, and you can have a correlation but no causation. The correlation, for part B, the correlation coefficient is a common numerical measure of straight line association, always between -1 and 1. That tells about the slope drawn through a scatter plot. And the correlation coefficient can be shown in 3 ways. The first is the positive association, which is up to the right, and that shows -1. 1. And the negative association has -1 and it goes down to the right. And no association has no line or pattern and is 0. Okay. And for part C, correlation can show causation sometimes through scatter plots, and that's how they can be similar. And for part D, the two are not the same because you can have a correlation without a causation, so there's no way that they could be the same. And for part E, when there's a correlation but no causation, a confounder or a lurking variable is present, so that can cause a lot of slippery evidence, and that's why we're learning about it.